Hello guys, my name is Kayla Reall and welcome back to my channel, and I'm talking really quiet because I'm actually at work right now. I'm just sitting in the office and there's nobody else here. So I have a little story to tell you. Basically, I'm looking around because I don't want anybody to walk in when I'm recording myself. But basically, on Monday, some of my friends decided to prank me, and I ended up with a lot of whipped cream shoved in my face, and I will show the video now.
Just put it in. Just pretend we're investigators.
Oh my god! Is that why you all came over here? Oh my god! Where are you? So basically, people never prank me because they know how good of a prankster I am. So I decided to get them back, and I have a plan, right? So I'm going to be doing little bits and pieces because there were, I think, 4 of them. There was Chris, who actually shoved the pie in my face, Michael, Caleb, and Jessica. Jessica filmed it. Michael and Caleb basically distracted me. They were talking to me and making me think that they put something in my hot chocolate when they really were just gonna pie me. My first part of the plan is so Caleb is Jessica's fiance, my best friend, and I don't have really access to his house without her, and I have to prank her too. So I decided to do a contest. It's a Chewbacca roar contest, and I found this. I've done something similar, and I found something similar on Pinterest, so I decided to do it. It'll work. And guys, look at this. I put it up on KSL, so I have Chewbacca, and basically I'm just looking for the best Chewbacca roar. Basically, they're gonna call Caleb's number. I have his name and his phone number on the app, and I put it on Snapchat, and I made sure that none of those, because Caleb and Jessica don't have Snapchat, and Michael doesn't have, oh shoot, I really hope Michael doesn't have Snapchat, and then I blocked Chris, so on Snapchat. So I posted it on Snapchat, and I texted all my friends, and I made sure everyone knew, call them, leave them, if they don't answer, leave them a voicemail of your best Chewbacca roar. So this is part 1, and it has been 10 minutes, I believe, 10 minutes since I posted this ad, and it already has 65 views. So, I'm so excited. Alright, so I just finished making the ad and putting it on Craigslist. Craigslist, I kind of stated that I was pranking a friend, but on KSL I just said I'm searching, this is for a project, I need help with it. So I think people are gonna assume that I am pranking somebody, but let me check how many views that we've gotten. So in 36 minutes we have gotten 87 views. I can't even describe to you what I'm feeling right now. He's gonna kill me. And I'm also wondering, I have another friend who I don't really have access to his house or him. We're not, he's always at school or something, so the only time I see him is at church or FHE, and I don't know how to get to him. So either I can do something similar to this, or I can come up with something else. But I do have a few, for Jessica, and then there's Chris. Alright, y'all, so I actually got a call from Caleb this same day near around 4-ish, 5. He called me and he was like, Kayla, I've been receiving a lot of calls. I don't know if you I was just wondering if you knew anything about a KSL. I just started breaking. I just broke down because he genuinely did not know what this breaking down. He's like, what the, was it you? He found it hilarious. Oh my gosh. But basically, I put up another ad, a kitten meow, like, hissing contest to give some people variety. Because I realized that my friend helped me realize that maybe somebody didn't like doing a Chewbacca roar, but a meow anyone can do. So, so that's what I did. So I put kind of a kitten thing, and I said it was my psychology class. So, anyways, Caleb, for his work, he actually has to like answer every single phone call because it might be an engineer from another state. So he was getting calls from Texas, California, like what? Like he was just getting calls from all over. He just answers some and then he hears people roaring or hissing. At him. And then one of these girls calls him and she starts meowing, and before she can get off the phone, he's like, whoa, 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 wait. Like, what is going on? Like, I've been receiving these calls. And she's like, what? Oh, like, it's your KSL ad. He's like, what KSL ad? She's like, oh, you didn't post a KSL ad? He's like, no, what's going on? So she screenshots it and texts him. She was like, you better tell your girlfriend. Like, to not get, like, taken off or something. Oh my gosh. It worked so well. He got like 70 calls with people just meowing or roaring. Oh my word. Yes. To anybody who helped me with this, thank you. It worked so well. He was dying. Apparently, he was like asking his dad, like he was telling his dad what was going on, and his dad knew it was me. He didn't even realize it was me until his dad said so. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it worked like a charm. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, I'm so proud. Alright. Okay, so that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see me prank the rest of my friends. Give it a like, hit that subscribe button and that bell or whatever that new thing is. I've been gone for a while. But I haven't done it for a couple months. My hair's not red, everything's changing, so. Oh boy. I hope you guys are having an excellent day. Ooh, my laptop's moving. And Christmas is right around the corner. Today's Thanksgiving. So have some fun, prank some friends, live life to the fullest. I'm out.